Taking a look at AMD here on unusual whales. Take this with a grain of salt, but a lot of these firms have price targets ranging between about 130 all the way up to a high of about 250. Rosenblatt here from February 4th, 250 price target. Most of these being a buy recommendation, some being a hold. Feel free to pause the screen. I'm going to go ahead and go onto the Webull now and show you the stock itself. So with the Bollinger Band, we are at the lower side here, and you can take a look at the RSI at the bottom, close to 30 here, so almost oversold. I believe AMD is at a very considerable price here of entry. I don't think we get anything lower than $87. 87 here is going to be the bottom in my opinion. And I've already mentioned this in our previous AMD videos that I think between 115 and 88 is going to be a really good dip opportunity, especially now that we are also below on the MACD. We're also closer to the 30 on the RSI, meaning we're at an extreme oversold territory. This is the weekly chart, by the way, so definitely a good time to be entering, in my opinion, if looking to dollar cost average into AMD. This is the time to be loading in between 115 to 88, as I do believe that we are going to get a reversal in the market here, and we should see a rally up towards the middle Bollinger Band here. Middle Bollinger Band on the weekly chart is going to be at 135, so 135 is going to be my minimal price target for this year on AMD stock. If we move into the daily chart, you can see we're still pretty close to the lower side of the RSI. I'm still looking in the short term for a test towards the middle Bollinger Band, which is at 109, about 110. 110 here going to be short-term price target for March 2025. And again, current price here is at 99.72. I think on the weekly chart, once we get that reversal for the overall market back up towards the top side, the moment we test the middle Bollinger Band, we could possibly get a pretty nice bull run towards the upper Bollinger Band. So AMD there on the upper is going to be at 175. So I could definitely see and relate to why a lot of these people are having such high price targets for AMD stock. And again, if you are in AMD, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. And if you're looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon for a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Live options and stocks, entries and exits, all alerted on the Discord. You just got to join the Patreon there if you want those benefits. Otherwise, join our Discord for free. Over 32,000 people. Link down below in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video for AMD stock.